And the alternator is right there. So that means we gotta take our intercooler piping. This is the water. This is coolant. The reason I'm making this video because there's no TikTok, no YouTube about it. There's only one, but it was on a forum from back in the day. So yeah, this comes out the way. All this comes out the way mostly. You gotta get your serpentine tool in there to get the belt over. And it's 2 bolts holding it. Alternator should come out. But let's get it right. This doesn't come out. This one doesn't come out right here. This is water. All right. Okay, after you have removed this intake piping right here, you can get to the alternator. It has 1 bolt right here, another one at the bottom. So to get the serpentine, the tensioner off the serpentine, you have to take off this part of the boot just to get to that tensioner. We're gonna do that in a few. But yeah, we're in a tight spot. Be careful. This is the water. This, like I said, be careful. This is a water line right here, coolant hose right here. You gotta, you probably have to take this out so you can fish it out. You gotta remove this piping. Be very careful. There's coolant hoses hooked up to it. Like this one right here. And our tensioner is right here. Where was it at? Yeah, right there. Come on, I'll show you. Come on in. The reason I say be careful with the coolant, removing this piece, because the coolant hoses, yeah, for it, I don't know. But yeah, tensioner is this one right here. Just gotta get it, and we'll be able to take the alternator off, which is right there. All right, after you got your ratchet on it, you're just gonna tension it. Just move it one of these to the side. And you just let it go back. And you're good. The alternator should be able to spin. The belt should be spinning freely now. But you can get your alternator out. Yeah. There we go. That's off the alternator. Cool. Put that to the side. Now we just take this bolt off. And that bottom bolt off. It's a 13 and 14. We should be put alternator out. All right, as you can see, we got a new alternator. Ready to go back in that tight spot. For reference, that's where it goes in. Underneath this coolant hose. Right forward, let's put it back in. We should be ready to roll. Be charging, stay cheesy. Follow, like, and share. All right, as you can see, we got it back in there. That's where our alternator's in. Everything's back in place. Like we never even touched it. Now it's charging. No connections are loose. Put that back in place. All the connections are good. None of them are loose. All right. You let it run, charge a little bit. But this one's ready to go.